Hello. Now we are going to see the question from GATE 2014 ECE from the Signals and System subject. Here, the input-output relationship of a causal stable LTI system is given as y of n equals to alpha y of n minus 1 plus beta x of n is given if the impulse response h of n of this system satisfies the condition summation n equals to 0 to infinity h of n equals to 2. The relation between alpha and beta we need to find here. So if this condition is satisfied, we need to find the relation between alpha and beta here. Here the answer, out of the given answers options, answer A is the correct one here. Now we'll see the solution for this. So given that, coming to the solution for this, given the difference equation which represents the system LTI system is y of n equals to alpha y of n minus 1 plus beta x of n. Now find the h of n from this. So in order to find the h of n, I am applying the z transform on both the sides. So we'll get y of z equals to alpha z power minus 1 y of z plus beta x of z here. So from this we'll get h of z equals to we'll get it as beta divided by this. Beta divided by taking this term this side, we'll get 1 minus alpha z power minus 1. Now apply the inverse Z transform for this to get the impulse response. So h of n equals to, taking the beta out, we can observe that this is the Z transform of 1 by 1 minus alpha z power minus 1, nothing but this is the Z transform of alpha power n u of n. So we have the h of n equals to beta into alpha power n u of n. So it is given that in order to find the relation between this alpha and beta, it is given that it satisfies this condition. So let us substitute the value of h of n in that given condition. So we'll get that summation n equals to 0 to infinity, substituting that h of n here, beta into alpha power n u of n equals to, given it as 2, then summation n equals to 0 to infinity beta alpha power n is equals to 2. So from this we will get it as the summation n equals to 0 to infinity alpha power n equals to, this is equals to 2 by beta. Taking this beta this side, this is the constant, so I am taking this side. So you can observe that this is like summation n equals to 0 to infinity alpha power n is nothing but this is the infinite geometric progression. Let us consider the alpha value is less than 1. We can write that summation. We can write this summation equals to, that is 1 by 1 minus alpha equals to 2 by beta here. So from this we got it as 1 minus alpha equals to beta by 2. So from this alpha equals to 1 minus beta by 2. So we have the relation alpha equals to 1 minus beta by 2. Taking this given condition for h of n into the consideration, so we got the option A is the correct answer.